How to unblock inspect element on Chromebook. Hello everybody, in this video we are going to teach you how. So let's start. For that, you may open up your Chrome application and then go ahead and click on the three dot at the top right. After that, from the given menu, select the option called bookmarks and list and go to this option that says show all bookmarks. So first of all, you may just go ahead and turn this option on. Once that is done, go to this interface at the top, click on the section where we can see bookmarks and click on add base. After clicking on it, you need to edit up a bookmark. So on this name tab, you can just go ahead and type in your bookmark name, any of you prefer. And in this URL section, you need to go ahead and paste up this one right here, this prompt right here. So you can just paste it from by taking a screenshot. Otherwise, you can just check in the description box for more. This prompt right here, you can copy and paste it from there. Cross out the previous URL from here and paste the URL that we just copied. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and click on save. And your URL, your bookmark, you can find it right here. So the next step is, for example, in order to inspect the element, for example Netflix, you can just cross out the screen's interface. For example, we have this Netflix option. You can just go ahead and cross it out, and you can just go to the three dot at the top and select hello, your interface, your bookmark first. After that, you can make the changes in your bookmark. For example, I have changed this Netflix into YouTube. You can also make other changes. You can just go ahead and basically inspect everything from here and make changes. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do that. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.